In God's own country, there is a place where the sea, the land, and a refined way of living come together. This is Chennai, and what you are about to see is one of its rarest beachfront homes. Set on over 15,000 square feet of prime beachfront land, this is more than a home. It is a statement. As the gate opens, the noise of the world disappears. In its place, swaying coconut palms, the scent of jasmine, and the sound of waves in the distance. You haven't just arrived at a property, you have arrived at a different way of life. The architecture tells a story of timeless Kerala craftsmanship. A traditional charu bench veranda wraps around the home, framed by handcrafted wooden pillars and warm laterite stone. Step inside, and the scale immediately takes your breath away. Soaring ceilings, artisan-crafted woodwork, spaces designed not just for furniture, but for living beautifully. A grand formal living area, warm family spaces, and a dining room made for unforgettable evenings. A home reveals its ambition through its kitchen. At nearly 15 by 17 feet, this culinary space is built without compromise, featuring premium appliances from Siemens, Bosch, Samsung, and Faber. A kitchen so beautifully designed, it has even featured in commercial brand shoots. 4 expansive master suites, each designed with the comfort and elegance of a luxury retreat. But what truly defines these rooms are the mornings. Waking up to the sound of waves, light moving softly across the ceiling. A stillness that makes you want to stay in the moment just a little longer. Ascend the wooden stairwell and discover an entirely new experience upstairs. A chandelier-lit living space with exposed wooden beams, a private semi-kitchen, and a balcony that opens to breathtaking views. The Arabian Sea stretches endlessly in front of you, while Kerala's backwaters glow behind you at dusk. 2 worlds, one extraordinary home. Step outside into a private sanctuary. 21 coconut trees, tropical fruit gardens, a freshwater well, and a 50-meter rock pathway winding through the landscape. As evening falls, solar-lit gardens transform the space into something magical. And at the heart of it all, a Kerala-style yoga gazebo, open to the sky and the sea breeze. This is not just landscaping. This is a way of living. And then comes the moment that changes everything. Walk through the garden, descend the private steps, and suddenly you are standing on the sands of Chennai Beach. The Arabian Sea in front of you, your villa just steps behind. This is the rarest kind of luxury. This property is not only a dream home, it's a rare investment opportunity. As a luxury residence, it offers an unmatched lifestyle. As a holiday retreat or boutique stay, it stands in one of Kerala's fastest growing luxury destinations. Fully furnished, move-in ready, impeccably maintained. Homes like this rarely come to the market and never stay available for long. A home designed not just for living, but for experiencing the very best life has to offer.